Today we will be teaching you new games to play with Go Fish. The normal way to play Go Fish is with matching up pairs, but this is the modified version. For younger kids, make sure you separate your deck into face cards and the rest of the cards. You can choose to put the aces in there or not, because aces are usually pretty easy for them to figure out because they only have one heart, so you can just call that a number 1. It's easier for the younger kids. However, these have a tendency to confuse younger kids. Step 2, so that's shuffle the remaining cards and select. Before you shuffle, select what you're going to be doing. Instead of using pairs, start with using either sums or differences. For our first example, we're gonna do a sum of 10. So any 2 cards that add up to 10 are gonna be considered a pair. And because of that, we can't have 10 in the deck. We can't have 10 or above in the deck. So all we have is 9 on down in the deck. We pass them out and we've shuffled them. We want to make 10. So anything that adds up to 10 is considered a pair. We put it aside and that's our pair. Now we have to look at our numbers and we have to see what we need to make 10. Do you have a 5?
Go Fish.
She does not have a 5, and I got a 2.
Do you have a 4?
Go Fish. Do you have an 8?
Go Fish.
If you notice on my Go Fish, I picked up the number 4. So that means that I can take, and this will be a pair. And that brings me back down to these cards.
Do you have an 8?
Go Fish. Well, if we're going to do subtraction, let's say we want the difference to be 3. The easiest way to know what cards you need is to lay them out. So lay out from 10 all the way down and see what you have left. So 10 minus 7, 9 minus 6, 8 minus 5, 7 minus 4, 6 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 4 minus 1. So that, if you look at the cards that we're using, we're actually using all the cards from 8 all the way through 10. So we shuffled the cards and now we're going to pass them out and try to get the difference of 3. And that will be our pair. Any difference that equals 3 is our pair. Pick up your cards. Okay, so we see what we have here. We can make the difference equals 3 by picking up this card and this card. Actually, these 2 cards. So since 8 minus 3 equals 3, that is our difference, and that is our pair.
Do you have a 5?
She got a lot of pairs. Let me see your pairs. Show off.
5 minus 2,
7 minus 10 minus 7. Good. Okay.
Not yet.
And what do you have? Or what do you want?
A 5.
Go Fish. Do you have a 5?
Go Fish.
And then we have 6 minus 3, that's another pair.
Do you have a 3?
Go Fish. Do you have a 6? So she has a 6. I place it with my 9. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Do you have a 5?
Go Fish.